Okay, this is a new activity that you can do in Rust Kids. Yeah, well, it was interesting. I think maybe for some people it was a little bit difficult to understand everything, but remember that you can check vocabulary. You can I look for the meaning of the words in dictionary. But it would be great if you just try to get the main idea, the message, okay? Don't get stressed about this. Well, I chose this video because in the unit that we are working on, it talks about the habitat, the animal habitats, okay? So I think it was interesting to know something about urban birds and versus rural birds. Yes, let's check some vocabulary that we have here. Okay, here this is some of the words that you may find in the video. Okay, the first one is environment. It's a you know what it is. It's a place where an organism has to survive to keep the process of its life. Okay. Then we have the black flower piercer. You can see it. We have a lot here in Quito. And then, and the third picture, we have urban and rural places. An urban city, for example, an urban place is a city where there are buildings and people, and the rural is where the people grow plants, food, the animals live. It's what we say the nature, okay, that we like to go there and breathe fresh air. Look at the rodents. The rodents. We have rats. In the story, they talk about two rodents as an example of what is to live in an urban and rural city. Okay, they mention this fable, the town mouse and the country mouse. Do you remember which mouse had problems? The one that lived in the rural place. He came to visit a cousin in the city, and that little animal had problems there. Why do you think that it had problems in the city? What's the difference between living the country and the city? Do you think it is more difficult to live in the city, or it is more difficult to live in the country, in the rural places? According to the people that made investigations of the animals that we are going to talk about, the urban birds and the rural birds, they found something. What is it? Okay, what can you tell me about the researchers? Researchers are the people who investigate, yeah? What have they said about the birds that live in the city? They say that they need some qualities. Yes. What kind of qualities do you think that a bird needs? Imagine birds in the country. They are free. They have the food in the trees, the water. They have everything. But what happened with the little birds in the city? We have people, cars, smoke. I don't know, cables, electricity. What happened with that environment? Is it easy? Do you think that it is easy for them? Okay, yeah. What do researchers say? They need to have some qualities. For example, flexibility to adapt to that environment. And what do they have to do to adapt to that environment? Yeah, they have to learn to find food. That's right. And they have to learn to live with the people, not the people living with them. We don't do that. These are intelligent, these great animals, they have adapted to live with us. Okay, it's interesting what researchers ask themselves. They wanted to know if these birds are more intelligent. These urban birds are more intelligent than the rural birds. According to their investigations, they don't dare to say that they are more intelligent. The only thing is that they have adapted to this rough urban environment. They have adapted to the city. Okay. And that is why they say this expression, birds have more street smarts. What do you think it is? Could you explain me that, please? That question you have to answer in the classwork that I uploaded today. It is in Irukai, and you have to answer questions and also to say if they are true or false on the statements that I put them there. Okay, please upload the classwork in the same window that I sent it. Please, I did it today. So do the classwork after checking the video, after comparing to what I've said here. And if you have any question, ask me, okay? Oh, by the way, I uploaded again in the Raskits the video. It's science. It's science. So go to that part, okay? Have a nice day and enjoy.